So Deepavali is around the corner, and can you guess what we're going to make to celebrate this occasion? It's a samosa pie with the help of a toaster oven. This recipe is really easy to upskill. Before we start, let's defrost the puff pastry that will be the pie skin. We are going to start with the samosa filling. Fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes. You want to make sure you get all the sweetness out from the onions. If you're not a fan of spicy, you can go easy on the chilli. Keep stirring it so that you can get the right consistency for the filling. It might be tiring, but it's worth it. சரி, இது பார்க்க மட்டும் இல்ல, அந்த வாசனையும் ரொம்ப அருமையா இருக்கு. This smells so good. And the best part is you can get all these ingredients from FairPrice. Let's preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Now, this is my favorite part. You take the pastry out, and then you take your rolling pin and you start to roll. Perfect. Now it's time to fill it up. I can just eat it like that, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to fill my pastry up. Spread the filling evenly on the pastry. Take the egg and brush the edges together. Take the top layer and stick it to the bottom layer and pinch them together. Take your fork and gently crimp the edges together. Brush the remaining egg all over the samosa pie. Our samosa pie is going to be extra crispy and shiny. Poke some holes to create some incisions so that our samosa pie can rise in our toaster oven. It's time to get our samosa pie out from the oven. Now, it's time to taste. The skin is so crispy. The filling has this very soft texture because of the potato. This is a definite must try at home. From one smart cook to another, Inya Deepavali Varthukal.